Good morning, boys and girls. This will be homework for week 26. This will be the section 2. It says round the following number to the nearest hundredth. So the number in the hundredths place is the 1. So if I look at that 1, I look to the 4. My 4 is going to tell my 1 to rest. So my answer would be 10 and 100th. You don't have to have the 4 anymore. Remember that 4 would turn into a 0, so you don't even have to put that. Next one is a adding problem with decimals. This one is easy because it's already lined up for you. So we have 22 and 51 hundredths plus 30 and 39 hundredths. So you have to just make sure your decimals are lined up. You can go ahead and put your decimal there for the answer because that's where it will be. 1 plus 9 is 10. Put my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is going to be 9. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So 52 and 90 hundredths. Next one is subtraction decimal. So you have 4 and 84 hundredths minus 1 and 26 hundredths. My decimal will go here in my answer. So 4 minus 6 I can't do. I have to borrow from my 8. 8 becomes a 7. 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 and 58 hundredths. The next one is multiplication with decimals. So I have, doesn't matter which one I put, they both have the same amount of digits. So I'm going to put the first one 6.9 times 0.5. But this one I won't put my decimal in the answer yet because I need to wait until I finish. When we multiply decimals, just wait until the end to worry about the decimal. So 9 times 5 is 45. Put my 5, carry my 4. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 is 34. Put my 0 to hold my place, but really I don't have to do this bottom row because it's just going to be zeros because 9 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0. So my answer is just going to be 345. And I have to see where my decimal goes now because I have a 1 digit after my decimal in this number, and I have 1 digit after my decimal in this number. So I have to have a total of 2 digits after my decimal. So my decimal will go here. So my answer is 3 and 45 hundredths. Then the last one is a word problem. It says it took Carter 4/10 hours to do his math homework and 6/10 hours to do his science. How many minutes did it take Carter to do all of his homework? So far it's in hours. So I'm going to add that up to see what that total amount of hours would be, and then I need to convert that to minutes. So 0 and 4/10 plus 6/10. Add that up, and I get, I get 1. So it's 1 hour is how many hours it took him, but it asked me how many minutes it take him. So I could just convert the hour to minutes, and I know there are 60 minutes in an hour. So there would be 60 minutes for that answer. And that is it for section 1, for section 2, sorry.